Welcome to Little Yacht Sales. Today we have a rare offering in the United States. It's a German-engineered and built 2008 Bavaria 38 cruiser that combines excellent sailing characteristics with all the comforts of home. A well-mannered performance cruiser, she is exceptional under sail and she effortlessly reaches hull speed when under power. Some exterior features include a bimini and dodger as well as a custom Atlantic Towers arch with dinghy davits. The tailgate lowers with electric motors converting to a walk-through transom and a swim platform with a telescoping swim ladder. The cockpit is roomy and well protected by the bimini and dodger. The seats are comfortable and the folding Lumar steering wheel makes movement in the cockpit a breeze. Visibility from the helm is excellent, especially with a large window in the bimini to check your sail trim, and it features Garmin and Raymarine electronics. The side decks are wide and the lifelines tall and sturdy. The anchor is easily put away with the electric windlass and remote, and the locker is deep and divided with a straight drop down for your chain. The umbrella hatch covers are all insulated and the mainsail has a strong track system by Tides Marine that makes raising and lowering the sail easy. Moving inside, you'll notice that she is nicely finished with African mahogany and quality upholstery which contribute to her delightful yet functional interior. The salon is large and has several overhead hatches and opening ports on both sides for ventilation. To starboard is an L-shaped settee which doubles as an excellent sea berth. There are storage below, behind, and in cabinets above. To port is a long straight settee that also doubles as a sea berth. There's a nice mahogany wine rack behind. A beautiful mahogany drop leaf table is the centerpiece of the salon. The L-shaped galley is tucked aft near the companionway steps. It has abundant storage cabinets and drawers as well as a mahogany spice rack. The double stainless steel sink has an extra tall single lever faucet. The galley also features a built-in microwave, DC-powered cold plate refrigeration, and a gimbaled propane stove and oven. Opposite the galley is the large forward-facing Nav Station. It features 3 large drawers, an opening seat with storage, as well as a desk with an opening lid. The aft cabin features a large berth for guests or storage, as well as cabinets and storage lockers. The well-thought-out head is on the other side of the companionway. It has a vanity with Corian countertop, a manual Jabsco toilet, and a separate stand-up shower with a flip-down seat. The forward cabin features a large V-berth with a custom split mattress and 2 convenient circular stairs with wide treads on both sides. There are cabinets the length of the V-berth as well as hanging lockers and shelves to both port and starboard. The 30 horsepower Volvo Diesel is tucked away under the companionway steps. The Bavaria 38 is an excellent design and a rare offering with meticulous and proud owners. The full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Please consider subscribing for more boat tours, and for our other listings, visit our website.